Hey guys, this is 2011 Hyundai Santafe. I would like to show you how to replace the multi-function switch or signal switch, headlight switch combination. So first step, disconnect the battery. You put the key in to turn the steering wheel. So there's one screw right there to remove the cover and turn the steering wheel this side. One screw right there. And the 3 screws below. So 1, 2, and 3. After remove the screw, and you can see right now it just unclip a little bit, so use a flat screwdriver to separate the two half together. Yeah, careful, and this thing just come out like that, easy. And the bottom also, when you release the steering tail lock, and just come out and unplug the connector. Yeah, and you can put the key in. Just turn one click and you can turn the steering wheel this way a little bit, so you can unclip and pull the switch out. Just a clip right there. So have a flat screwdriver to push on this, and it's come out like that, easy. And the new switch, just slide it in, clip like that. Yeah, and plug in and connect the battery to check, to make sure it works. And after we connect the battery, now put the key in, just turn the power on and turn the signals. Yeah, working good. Good. And flasher. Good.